Well, in Mumbai, a special Pota court has pronounced its verdict on the Gateway of India and the Zaveri blast case of 2003. The court has found all the three accused, Hanif Syed, his wife Fahmida and Ashrat Ansari, guilty. The fourth man had turned approver in the case. The verdict comes 6 years after the blast in which 53 people were killed and 184 injured. This is the most awaited judgment after the Tada court's verdict in the 1993 serial blast. Now, the blasts, according to the crime branch, were plotted in Dubai and executed by the Gujarat Muslim Revenge Force to avenge the Gujarat riots. A total of 103 witnesses were examined in court for this trial. A taxi driver, key witness in the case, led the police to the accused and said they travelled in his taxi on the day of the blast. And meanwhile, public prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam said that this was another setback for the terrorists like the Lashkar and the plan that they had hatched in Dubai.
3 members of the Lashkar-e-Toiba are held guilty. The initial criminal conspiracy was hatched in Dubai and it was decided to explode bombs at Mumbai at various places. And accordingly, on 25th August 2003, these accused planted 2 bombs with RDX leader at Gateway of India and at Zaveri Bazaar. And in the said bomb explosion, in all 52 persons died and 244 people were seriously injured.
And we also spoke with the lawyers of the accused who said that they will appeal against this verdict.
You see, the law gives fair treatment to every accused. Now the court has held guilty. And on 4th, the court will decide the quantum. Quantum has not been pronounced yet. We will satisfy to the court that this is not the case which fall in the rarest of the rare category, because that is the only category where the death sentence can be awarded.
Yeah, I am totally shocked and surprised by the judgment, because despite many number of legal infirmities and weak evidences, how the persons were convicted. So it doesn't mean that once the person is convicted that there is no scope. There are options of moving an appeal before the High Court, then to the Supreme Court.